which town in Anambra State? Don't look at them, look at me before I deduct you. You don't know. Bonus. Bonus. You have bonus. You have bonus. Bonus.
He came for the way to which from Anambra State.
Bonus 3 points. Your turn. Where is the capital city of United Kingdom? Look at me. Where is the capital city of United Kingdom? Look at me, I will deduct you. Don't look at the people, look at me. Where?
London.
Two of you said bonus, I said answer. You need to learn how to answer. Your turn.
Number 6.
No number. I'm just dishing it out.
Okay.
This is for 20 points if anybody is correct. Who is Chief Billionaire Augustine Ilodibe? Who is Chief Augustine Ilodibe? 20 points.
State.
Who is he?
He's a politician. Sorry, he's a business mogul.
From where?
From Enugu State.
What does he do?
He's a business into oil.
No, sit down. Minus only 2 points. Who is Chief Augustine Ilodibe? Who? Ekene Erichukwu Transport. Next question. Next question. Who is Chiamaka Nnadozie? Your turn. Who is Chiamaka Nnadozie?
Nigerian goalkeeper.
Who is Chiamaka Nnadozie? Who is Chiamaka Nnadozie? You don't know Chiamaka Nnadozie? Who is Chiamaka Nnadozie? Bonus. Next question. Two countries, Africa.
Algeria, Tunisia.
Two countries in North Africa. One. Egypt. Tunisia. You're correct. 10 points. Who's done? You. Who is Jim Ifeanyi Chukwumobodo? Look at me. Who is Jim Ifeanyi Chukwumobodo? Next question. During Nigeria Biafra Civil War, Warlord Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu had to flee. Which country did he travel to? This is for 30 points if you are correct. Which country did Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu travel to? Don't look at is the name of Imo State Airport? The airport in Imo State, what is the name? No, bonus. Imo State Airport, Kafia. Unamara Airport, Imo State. Airport, Imo State. 20. Give her 10 points. Sam Mbako Airport. The National Stadium, who's done? National Stadium in Abuja, what is the name? Stadium in Abuja. Nice. Where are you from? Where in Imo State? Imo were 200,000 share Enugu Apu. We'll do with them. Your turn. Stand up. Mention anything. So if you don't know, don't answer. Mention any 4 countries in North American continent. Are you sure? Don't answer and stop on the way. Make sure you know the 4. North American continent. Mention any 4 countries there. 1,
United States of America.
2,
Mexico.
3,
Cuba.
Next question. It's 100 points. I want to start you well. Listen. Cuyaba, Salvador, Belo Horizonte, Santa Catarina, Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo are cities in which country? Where? Cuyaba, Fortaleza, Belo Horizonte, Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo, Santa Catarina, and Chapecoense are cities in which country? Where in Germany is the headquarters of Mercedes? I'll give you option. In which German city is Mercedes headquarters situated? Question number 1, option 1, Wiesbaden. Option 2, Hamburg. Option 3, Stuttgart. Option 4, Ingolstadt. Option 5, St. Pauli. Minus 20 points. Yes. St. Pauli minus 20 points. Where is the headquarters of Mercedes in Germany? Wiesbaden minus 20 points. Where? Stuttgart. As from Ndigbo, Germany called it Mali. Last 2 questions before we decide the winner for 200,000. World War I started when and ended when? World War I started when and ended when? Okay, give her mic. Mine is not working well.
1919.
Who told you? Give her 100 points. Okay, this is for 200 points. This one is not working very well. Okay. Before parting ways, Gambia, we are together with which African country? Before parting ways. Okwulora, South Korea and North Korea are not together before. Okwulora, United States and Puerto Rico are not together. Okwulora, Austria and which country we are together with? Which African country was that? No, don't do this, brother. Don't do sign at all. It's cheating, please. It's cheating. Allow them. Which country? Any idea?
Dubai.
Dubai in Africa. What's wrong Dubai in Gambia? Minus 10 points. Which country was that? Kenya, minus 10 points. Let me give you an idea. The country, the last letter of that country is L. Letter L is the last letter. Liberia, does this end with L? Minus 10 points. Last question. Where are you studying?